Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to get voice chat on Roblox Mobile. It's important to know that Roblox voice chat is designed for users who are 13 years of age or older. To ensure a safe and appropriate environment, Roblox requires all users to complete an age verification process before enabling this feature. This is the only official way to gain access to voice communication within the game. To begin the age verification process, first log into your Roblox account using your mobile device. Once logged in, tap the three dots icon to open the More menu, then go to Settings and select Account Info. Here, you will find a button labeled Verify My Age. Tapping this will initiate the verification flow, which requires a government-issued photo ID, such as a driver's license or passport. After initiating verification, a QR code will appear on your screen. Use your smartphone's camera to scan this code, which will direct you to a secure verification portal. You will then be guided to take clear pictures of your government-issued identification, ensuring both the front and back are visible. Finally, you will complete a brief selfie scan to confirm that you are the person on the ID, a process that typically takes only a few minutes. Upon successful age verification, which usually takes just a few minutes, you can return to your Roblox settings. Navigate to the Privacy and Content Maturity section. Here, under the Communication tab, you will find the Use Microphone to Chat with Voice option. Simply toggle this to the On position to enable voice chat. Remember to always use this feature responsibly and prioritize your online safety by reporting any concerns.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.